WordPress beginners. Understanding WordPress gives you flexibility. It's a fair statement to say that most people think of WordPress, commonly abbreviated as WP, as being primarily a blogging platform. And while it is true that it works quite well for that, but understanding WordPress means having a better idea of all it can do. Here are a few things that make WordPress an ideal choice for many different types of websites. The flexibility is one of the most attractive features of the WordPress platform. You can set up WordPress as a blog, to share content as a membership website, or to sell products and services. Because it was originally set up for blogging, WordPress is really easy to allow your customers to share comments with you. However, you can just as easily turn comments feature off if you like. The amount of customizing that can be done with WordPress is nearly endless. WordPress beginners can quickly make some basic changes to make their website more unique. But WordPress is also robust enough to allow advanced users to make even more changes. Much of this can be done through the WordPress Dashboard. But more intricate changes will require changing the code, which brings us to the next point. The WordPress community is at the heart of what makes everything else work so well. This is due, in large part, to the fact that WordPress is open source. That means anybody can develop add-ons, called plugins, and WordPress themes, site designs. Plus other things that make WordPress useful for webmasters. Also, if you need to know how to do something, you can usually find the answer quite quickly. Understanding WordPress means understanding the large community that not only uses WordPress, but contributes to WordPress as well. WordPress themes can be thought of as skins that make your website look different. However, that description is a bit simplistic, as WordPress themes are more than just graphics. WordPress themes cover the entire look of your website when using WordPress. Graphics will be a big part of it, but fonts, links, pages, layout and more can all be changed to fit the WordPress theme. All of this is done automatically when you download and install the WordPress theme. However, you still have the flexibility, and can alter the WordPress theme as needed for your purposes. WordPress plugins go hand in hand with WordPress themes when it comes to customizing WordPress. There are all kinds of WordPress plugins, some are nothing more than window dressing, while others are essential. If you want to use WordPress to earn money, then you can get WordPress plugins to help you build a mailing list, generate affiliate links, and sell any number of products. There are also security plugins that will keep your WordPress website from getting hacked. Another popular type of WordPress plugin amongst internet marketers is the membership plugin. These WordPress plugins let you limit access to your website to paying members, or anyone with the right password. The best thing about WordPress is that it's free to download and install. Many of the WordPress themes and WordPress plugins are also free. However, there are paid options as well. If a paid option fits what you're looking for, then by all means, get it. Consider it an investment in the success of your online business. We hope you enjoyed this WordPress tutorial for beginners. If you would like to learn how to set up your own WordPress website, then click the link in the description below this video to get free instant access to our free WordPress tutorial videos for beginners. Have a great day.